Yo guys, what's up? So today I want to go over keyframes and how you can use them in your videos to create different effects and basically understand how the whole video process works. So this is something that took me a lot of time and a lot of messing around to master and figure out how to use in different scenarios and use it to my advantage and just make new effects and stuff on my own. So in this video, I'm going to go over how you can basically understand keyframe. Basically, if we have any single thing here, even this text layer, it's a simple text layer. We're going to call this a new video, for example. And if you want it to grow over time, let's say I'm going to increase how long it lasts. In beginning, we're going to, let's say, click on keyframes here, and then we're going to set it to 100. But towards the end, we can just slide and decide how much we want it to be over time. So we can call this 150. So now over time it will actually increase in its sizing. So as you can see, over time it basically grows from 100 to 150 magnification. So this is something that you can use over time and just become much better at editing. So it can even be, so this is just one way you can animate something. I'll turn off the keyframes here. As you can see, there's so much other things, and then they all have like a stopwatch icon next to it. So you can basically use any of these and kind of work in your own advantage. So here we have scale, and then we have position. So sometimes we always see these animations where something comes in from left or the right, out of the window or out of the screen. So this is easily doable on your own. You don't actually need to use any sort of built-in transitions for this. So for something like this, I would actually place it out. So the X marker, you just want to place it outside of anywhere towards the left or the right, wherever you want. So I'll basically hit the stopwatch there. It basically records a key value, like a keyframe there, and then I would basically go up ahead and I will bring it back into the right. So this is the ending point where I want it to land. And so you can see here the video is going to animate inside of the thing. So that's a really easy way to make your own transitions, make your own animations, and just work with that, and you basically have a lot more control like that. So you can use all those tricks to your advantage and make different kind of transitions and animations out of Premiere Pro, all on your own, so you don't have to rely on any sort of animations. And from this, learning keyframes, I think you can go much forward. You can even set the volume, and audio has its own keyframe values that you can change around over time. And I think that's just something that you need to know when you are editing video. So that's it for today's video. It's a quick video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.